Alright, so what's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day out today, so I figured me and Harley take a walk out into our little dump again, see what we can find. Nothing great today. As you can see, I found a little deer skull. Not uncommon. And a couple older Coke bottles that registered. Nothing great. This is from Washington. It's just a registered. It's a D patent. Let's see what the date code says. Oh, this doesn't have one. And another D patent. This one's from Patterson. Supposedly there's a scarcer Patterson bottle with the misspelling. Has 2 T's. And this little thing is kind of cool. It's a Rolling Rock premium beer. It's weird looking. I don't remember ever seeing one like it. And then I found a Rheingold. Old, I forget what they're called, like chug tops or something like that. There you go. Chug a mug, that's what it's called. And I found a painted one. Painted label one. I found another one of these, the Umberto Triangle Pyramid bottle. And found a Pepsi. No deposit Pepsi, nothing great, I know. And then this thing I never seen before. Diet Dad's root beer. There we go. Diet Dad's root beer. No sugar. I don't know if there's a name on it. City name, I don't see anything. And I've never seen it before, so I figured I'd show you guys. I know it's nothing great today, but also another watch on spring water bottle on a couple of these. Coal boat, nothing great. I found this thing, I have no idea what the hell it even is. And then a King's Ransom Scotch whiskey. Probably not that old either. And then this thing, I don't even know what that is. Picked it up, we'll see what it is together. Give me a minute, let me open it. To put you down for a second. Can't get it out, so I'll come back. All right, so this thing I couldn't get open while I was in the video, man. I had to use a pair of pliers to literally pull this thing out. Not sure what it is. It says Bamberger's on it. I guess it's a department store. Line of America's, one of America's great stores. I'm not sure what the metal plate is when I cover her name just and the address, just because, but that's what it said on it. Kind of cool. Turns out it's a charge plate. Before credit cards, you would swipe that on your receipt. Charge a plate? I don't know. So I guess it's about that time. This guy wants to come out. Luckily it's only a garden snake, so he ain't gonna bother nobody. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this one out with you. What is it? Sunrise Dairies. That's a good one. Finally one I'm gonna take home. Cool. So this is the only bottle I wound up taking today. Sunrise Dairies from Hillside. Let maybe a cream cheese or a sour cream jar. I don't know. It's got a wide open mouth, so I'm guessing it's one of those, not a milk bottle. But pretty cool. I'll take it. So just to give you guys a little idea of what I'm walking through here. Real quick, I found this ball mason jar. Nothing great, but it's like everywhere you look. I mean, there's literally bottles everywhere you step, so it's like you have to like pick a needle out of the haystack when I find something that I actually want to keep. And it just goes on and on. Also found this little guy, little vase, tiny little thing. Says something. I don't know what that, I can't read it on my glasses on. Alright, hopefully I find something else. So I'm really not finding much today, but I did find this monster of a thing. It's huge. There's a little hole in it. I also would have thought about taking it. But it's a monster. Kind of cool looking. Alright, keep searching. Sorry you ain't finding nothing. Harley! So I decided to come down to the river today with Harley. Since I didn't find nothing yesterday, so I see this. And then I find this laying in the water. This is warranted flask. And then there's something else over here that I'm gonna pull out now and see what it is. Just the neck is sticking out. You can see it. There you go. Caught my eye, so let's pull it out. Oh. It's like a pickle jar or something. Oh well. If I find anything else, I'll let you know. You can see all the ash up in there. I pulled a lot of bottles out of this little spot in the river. Stuff laying all over the place. See what else I could find. Alright, so this is going to be for everybody that's always asking how you find a dump. Alright. Rabbit or foxhole bottles. You know, obviously this tree's on a dump. You can just see all the glass. So the tree fell over. And you can just see everything's... So this is like a double whammy. Tree fell over, exposed that it's got glass in it. And then something dug under it and dug more out. So this is just, I don't even know what that is. Probably do, but... And then this was in there too. Sperm sewing machine oil. It's pretty cool. I guess spring is coming. So the last time I was in this area digging up bottles, somebody called the cops on me because there's a house nearby. There's a couple of houses nearby, and cops came, pulled their guns on me. I guess they told them I was burying a body, but it was the first time I had the cops come. But I have to wait until it starts to grow so I can hide while I'm digging. All right, everybody. Peace out until next time. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share.